What? I don't know how you got in here, but since you're here, you want to learn how to build credit in 45 days? You do? Okay, cool. Stick around for a little while. You might learn something. Welcome back. My name is Kelvin McNeil. I'm the CEO of GreenScale Credit, and I'm all about sharing helpful information about how to improve your overall credit wellness. If you're watching this video, you should definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on upcoming gems. We all know the importance of having good credit, right? Unless you're mega rich and plan to buy everything in cash and don't plan on ever needing to borrow money from the bank, you'll need good credit. By the way, even if you were rich, you still need good credit because the affluent frequently use debt to build wealth, but that's a different story for another video. Today, we're going to talk about a new way to save money while building credit. And stop. Before you say, oh, here we go, another credit builder card. AVA is not your average run-of-the-mill credit builder, primarily because their mission is to ensure that people pay the cheapest costs for their debts, have control of their finances, and save money. AVA aims to differentiate themselves from the shady predatory practices that credit repair and fintech lenders have been using for ages to profit off of people who are trying to improve themselves. You see, some companies disguise themselves as fintech, but in reality are just digital payday lenders, while others that do exist to build credit simply sneak in mountains of fees and interest. Thus, they've made it their concrete policy not to charge interest or hidden fees on any of their financial products, which of course is dope. The biggest thing that separates AVA from its competitors is they offer both a loan account, a revolving trade line, and a refinance assistant at a bargain of a price. With the guarantee, you'll never be charged anything above the subscription cost you pay to use their platform, which is only $6 billed per month annually or $9 per month if you choose the monthly subscription. AVA has three core products: the AVA Credit Builder, its SavingsBuilder, and the SavingsMonitor. Now first, let's talk about the AVA card. Now AVA gives you a $2,500 credit limit, while its competitors limit you to a measly $200 or maybe a $500 security deposit, which doubles as your credit limit. Now, this AVA card is set up to only be used with recurring digital subscriptions such as Netflix, Spotify, Disney Plus, whatever subscriptions you normally have. They set a $25 spend limit per month, which essentially protects you from overspending because the main focus here is improving your credit score by reporting low credit utilization on a $2,500 limit with consistent on-time payments. Then we have the AVA SavingsBuilder, which helps you build credit with on-time installment payments, which is an important factor because 60% of your FICO score is impacted by mix of credit and payment history. Plus, you'll only have to commit to a low $21 monthly payment, which goes into a locked savings account. And at the end of the 12-month savings plan, you'll get all of your money back, plus you will have made 12 on-time payments. And an important thing to mention is with both of these services that I just mentioned, AVA will report all payments from both the Credit Builder card and the Savings Builder to all three of the major credit bureaus weekly, not monthly, every single week. And next is the AVA Savings Monitor. Their goal is to help you consolidate any large debts you may have to lift some of the burden off of your shoulders. AVA constantly performs a soft search that doesn't hurt your score to find a good consolidation offer as your credit score improves. Once they find one, they'll alert you. Savings Monitor searches auto loans, credit cards, and personal loans. If you choose to refinance your debts, this could save you each month and accelerate your repayment. This goes hand in hand with the credit building once you've improved your scores to qualify for better and cheaper debts. Lastly, AVA provides credit score monitoring. This in-app monitoring provides weekly updates of your credit score while also providing insights into what's influencing your score and what your debt portfolio looks like. Plus, I got some good news for you guys. Since AVA is sponsoring this video, If you sign up using my special link, not only will you support this channel, but you'll also receive a 20% discount off the first year with AVA. To sign up for AVA, visit tinyurl.com/Kelvin-Ava. That's Kelvin. Yes, my name is not Kevin or Calvin, in case you thought so. Or you can go ahead and click the link down in the description below. Using AVA, no lie, you can literally build credit in 45 days with those 3 awesome products. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. As always, enjoy the rest of your evening or morning or afternoon, whatever time of the day it is. And as always, thanks for watching.